Picture this. You're standing in a parking lot full of cars that all look, well, kinda the same. But then one car catches your eye. Sleek, athletic, almost like it's in motion even when parked. That's the 2026 Mazda 3. And trust me, this isn't just a compact car, it's a statement. You know, in a world where many cars are becoming rolling computers on wheels, the Mazda 3 dares to stay true to the art of driving, but at the same time it doesn't compromise on tech or comfort. Curious how Mazda pulled that off? Let's dive in. Let's start with the design because, come on, that's what grabs you first, right? The 2026 Mazda 3 takes the brand's Kodo design language to a whole new level. It's all about simplicity and elegance. The body is smoother, more sculpted, with fewer lines, so light plays across it like it's alive. Those sharp LED headlights, they look like eyes that have spotted their prey. And the rear, subtle spoiler, redesigned taillights, and just enough aggression to make you glance twice as it passes by. And get this, Mazda's even refined the paint. The new Soul Red Crystal 2.0 and Polymetal Gray Metallic are crafted with extra layers to give that deep, liquid look. Ever seen sunlight hit this car at sunset? It's like the body glows from within. Now, let's talk performance. Because the Mazda 3 has always had that fun two-drive factor. For 2026, Mazda offers an updated 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine with mild hybrid tech, so you get a bump in fuel efficiency and smoother torque delivery. 0 to 60 around 7.1 seconds, quick enough to make highway merges fun without burning a hole in your wallet at the gas pump. And for those of you thinking, but what about handling? Well, this is where the Mazda 3 shines. The steering is precise, the chassis feels connected, and thanks to improved G-vectoring control, cornering feels more natural and planted. And did I mention the optional AWD system? That's right, a compact car with all-wheel drive confidence. Snow, rain, or twisty roads, the 2026 Mazda 3 has your back. Step inside, and here's where Mazda really surprises you. The interior feels premium in a way that makes you wonder, is this really a compact car? Soft touch materials everywhere, real stitching on the dash, an uncluttered layout that focuses everything on the driver. The 2026 model now comes standard, with a larger 10.25-inch infotainment screen. But here's the kicker, Mazda still avoids the giant touchscreen obsession. Instead, you control it through a dial, keeping your eyes on the road. Smart, right? And check this out. Wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. Plus, the optional Bose 12-speaker audio system turns your cabin into a concert hall. Ever cranked your playlist on a late-night drive with the windows down? Yeah, this is that kind of car. Technology, the Mazda 3 packs a suite of driver aids, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a new 360-degree camera system for tight parking spots. But here's what I love. Mazda doesn't overwhelm you with beeps and alerts. The tech works quietly in the background, enhancing your drive rather than distracting you. And finally, the special sauce. What makes the 2026 Mazda 3 stand out in a sea of crossovers and bland sedans? It's the philosophy. Mazda builds cars not just for transportation, but for emotion. This is a car designed for people who love driving, who see every trip as an experience, not a chore. So, is the 2026 Mazda 3 perfect? No car is. But if you want a compact that blends beauty, performance, and thoughtful tech, all without breaking the bank, this might just be your car. What do you think? Would you choose the Mazda 3 over its rivals? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more car content, and share this video with your fellow car lovers. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the journey.